YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I want to give you guys a real quick update on Toshi Coin because it's like 10 o'clock over here, but I know some of y'all still awake. And I just wanted to, again, give you guys an update. Bitcoin coming in at like 63,000, but let's give a full market, right? And I got to let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, just a homie Crypto J. Talking about the market, right? 2.7 trillion right now. So you guys can see Fear Greed Index coming in at a 22. Bitcoin again coming in at 83.2. And let's check it out. Let's pull it up, right? Because again, not much price action happening today, but we are still looking a little bit funky going into this Monday morning, or going into tomorrow at least. But as you guys can see, still creating higher lows, but also creating a nasty rising wedge, lacking in volume, sitting in limbo. Really in anticipation of tomorrow, whatever is going to happen. We have a couple things that could be possibly playing out here, right? We could have a possible shoulder head shoulder, which I would be looking at first because again, we're still in a downtrend also. So we are still not out of the woods. We got to still start breaking up out of this. We're actually at a very key level of support right now, right? So we really got to pick up in volume. But on the 7-day, again, we have been seeing some crazy price action, but at the same time, still on an uptrend. So again, that's why we're still seeing some gains in the market in the past 7 days, including on Toshi, right? Toshi up still 7% in the past 7 days because it's been moving with Bitcoin. And again, I'm looking for coins that have good volume on this Bitcoin dip because when Bitcoin pumps, you guys see which coins are pumping and it just seems to be the same one. So you guys can see Toshi Coin has created the same wedge multiple times. And here we are again, starting to break up above this resistance and creating yet another wedge, resting again on this 4-hour chart at 164 million market cap, the same market cap I think I was at 8 hours ago when I made my last video. But Toshi Coin, in my opinion, has been performing pretty nicely. Again, we just broke above this upper Keltner channel on this last Bitcoin pump, and now we're sitting on the second channel. This could be good. I mean, hopefully, again, we could start rounding this out and we maybe have found a bottom down here. Again, we were heavily oversold over here on our 12-hour, right? Let's see what some of these more longer term were saying too. Everything pretty much saying how, look, badly oversold we were here. Now, at least we're trending inside this Keltner channel. But we want to, again, bounce off of this bottom level, start breaking above some of these levels. And like I told you guys, it wouldn't be crazy because, you know, it's pretty much intact with the last correction that this coin had back around Thanksgiving. Again, we had this correction right here. We created this wedge. Let me see if I could pull it up on some of these smaller things, right? Back in November, we had created this wedge around November 15th, and you see it lasted all the way until like January, and then the price absolutely exploded. Well, again, here we are, January, and we're sitting around March. It's only been a couple months. Everybody's already cried and panicked and all this stuff. But again, it's not the first time this coin's done this. It's done it plenty of times where it's had big sell-offs, look at this correction, dude. Like this from here to here, like what was this? From June to, when did this price start recovering? September, right? June to September. And then November, you know what I mean, to January. And then now we're in March. You know what I'm saying? Like from January to March, like you gotta have a little patience. So in my opinion, the project's not dead, not doing anything out of the normal that it has always been doing since we've been covering this coin. You know, it's a coin that again is listed on Coinbase, coin that's listed on Kraken, it's a coin that's listed on KuCoin. I feel good about it on these dips. I see it pumping. There's always a chance, again, that it will stop pumping. But again, it's been performing really nicely, holding its weight really nicely, in my opinion, compared to even some of these more larger cap projects that have been very volatile on this dip, including like Ethereum right now that's down in the past 7 days, 8%. Toshi's up in the past 7 days, 7%, you know, like XRP's up 6%, Toshi's up 7%. A lot of these coins right now, Toshi's outperforming a lot of coins in the past 7 days, right? A lot of big coins. So again, a lot of people talking about they're going for blue chips, and they are going for blue chips. I'm shopping blue chips. Don't get me mistaken. This is, I'm definitely a good time to be shopping for these big long-term projects that you're long on. But I'm also long on Toshi, and it's been performing well. And I do think that people are going to be shopping meme coins. I feel like Toshi's the coolest cat on base. I like Toshi. It's not financial advice. Just stating my opinions. Again, it is lacking in some volume right now on this 12-hour chart. But we've really been kind of just sitting at 164, bouncing off of this, and hopefully creating again another wedge and possibly starting to break up out of this. This coin's not lacking in volume at all, in my opinion. Might take some time to recover. How long it's going to take to recover, I don't really know. Maybe it doesn't recover, but I'm long on this project. And again, this is not the first time that it's had this type of correction at all. Again, this is January right here to March. And look at our last correction from April, and then bam, like April to really like January, right? But even from November to January, right? Even if you got in over here, this was like a long correction. Everybody thought, oh, the project's dead. Like, what the? Like, look at this correction here. December 23rd, corrected all the way down. These are higher lows. These people are down on their investment all the way from December all the way to February, right? And then the price started going up, right? So that's the way a market cycle goes. It doesn't mean that the project is dead. It just means that you have to wait more than one day. Sometimes you gotta wait more than a week. I know it's crazy, right? Imagine investing into something that you say you're long on, and then you're having a panic attack in like 2 months because your investment is down 60% 70%. Bro, if you can't deal with a 60 to 70% correction, honestly, you have no business trading in a market cap this small, to be honest with you, because your coin is going to correct 60 to 70% all the time. Bitcoin is on a correction right now, and it is this space is so volatile. That's what I'm saying. Like, Bitcoin is on a correction right now, probably of like a little more than 20%, and it's at a $1.6 trillion market cap. So what do you think your coin's going to do, or $1 billion market cap? So what do you think your coin's going to do at 164 million when the market decides it wants to be a little bit volatile? Yeah, your meme coin is going to be a little bit volatile too. A lot of meme coins have been volatile through this dip. But again, I look for projects that have volume. You know why I look for projects that have volume? Because once Bitcoin does decide it wants to pick up, which I think Bitcoin will pick up, it has picked up historically all the time. Well, all these big exchanges are going to go shopping and start listing coins. As a matter of fact, they're already listing coins. Coinbase just listed Dog and Me just the other day too. And that's huge. Like, they're listing base coins. I told you so. Like, they are looking for these base coins. Coinbase is going to be listing a lot more base coins. And I even feel like, maybe Binance is going to start picking up some coins too that are on base. And if they do, which coin do you think they're going to pick up, bro? Like, come on, bro. Like, we're able to vote as communities now. Like, I think that we have a shot of getting on Binance. What do you guys think? Are you bearish on Toshi, or do you guys think that this is a coin that could actually get listed now that we have like community voting and stuff like that? We just got listed on Kraken. I would actually be shocked if this thing is not on Binance in the next like 5 months, to be honest with you. And again, Binance has not said anything about it, but now they're letting communities vote on what coins they want. And we do know, again, that Toshi has a holder base of 550,000, that this coin has had great volume through this dip. And again, that's what these exchanges look for. They look for volume because they make money on these transactions. So my opinion, Toshi Coin is performing great, despite what some people that have a microwave mentality think. I've been covering this coin for a while now. I'm patient. I don't have a microwave mentality. I know that these are times where you could actually make the most money. Like, again, the coin has done this a lot of times. So, maybe it can do it again. It's already done it a lot of times. I don't know. People didn't think this coin would ever hit $1 billion, but I was saying that this coin could hit $1 billion. I was saying that before, and I still feel like, honestly, this coin could go to more than $1 billion, but it's not going to go in a straight line because that's not how the game works. Sorry, bud. It's not how the game works. So Yeah, in my opinion, hopefully Toshi Coin has found a bottom. Again, we're about 3 months, about the time that it took last time. Maybe again, we can start seeing this thing start kicking up if Bitcoin again wants to have a good week this week. We do still have to make it out of this downtrend. We are kind of creating a bear flag right here in the market. So the market not looking super hot, but again, this might be a bottom too. It might be some kind of double bottom action happening here. Again, market super speculative, not looking hot, right? On this type of lack of volume is disturbing to me. But again, this 7-day is looking like still higher lows. So like, what the heck, Bitcoin? I guess we'll find out tomorrow how the market wants to respond. Again, we had a great week in the market. The market closed really good. And then yesterday we just announced that we're launching war against the Houthis, and again, our market broke down. And so I don't know how the market's going to respond to that. I don't know if that's priced in or how people are going to feel on Monday, what headlines are going to be looking like. Maybe they'll be looking crazy talking about all this World War III stuff. I don't know what it's going to happen. So if that's the case, then maybe we'll see the market break down. We do know that we talked about a couple insider wallets and stuff like that that had some big short positions. But at the same time, these guys want to liquidate these guys too. So I don't know. They might want to start pushing up this price. There's like a lot of money up here too that they could liquidate also, because people, again, not thinking that Bitcoin can go this way. Some people thinking it can go this way. So I don't know how they're going to react. I don't know how these guys are going to react. Again, they've been doing nothing but manipulating our market. We're definitely on a downtrend right now. We can also not deny that. But I guess, again, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Right now, again, the lack of volume is a little bit concerning on Bitcoin. But again, manipulated Bitcoin, you never know, right? Possibly on this 1 month chart, again, maybe we could have found a bottom here, some kind of double bottom action also. But again, this 1 year chart, yikes. Might need to see some more correction. And if that happens, then the market might turn red tomorrow. But again, I don't know. Maybe it's a fake. I don't know what's going to happen. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.